Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's August 8th, Thursday morning, and apologize for being a bit late here. We got tied up with customers this morning because of the excitement in the cattle, but we'll talk about that a little later here. We thought we'd wait until the export sales numbers came out, which we have hot off the press. Old crop corn sales 290, new crop 220, soybean sales old crop 79, and new crop sales of 1.017 million metric tons. Wheat export sales 726. All these numbers were in the high end of expectations, maybe except for the new crop corn, but shows that cheaper prices has enticed buyers to come back to the U.S. to buy grain, and should be a bit supportive. However, when we look at the world export situation, we've got Ukraine and Brazil still pricing their corn under new crop prices. So it's still going to be a struggle to buy back our demand from these markets that have got plenty of grain to move. Other news, China auctioned off soybeans yesterday. They had 500,000 tons that they were going to sell. They only sold about 88,000 tons of that 500. So another reason why we are seeing a stronger market here in the grains this morning. We're also getting some short covering. We've talked about it earlier in the week. Going into the Monday USDA report, traders will likely even up some positions, take some profits off the table as we move into that report and to the end of the week here tomorrow. We've had chick placements also show some improvement, which in turn should equal some greater corn demand as we move into the new crop marketing year. The big news, however, overnight has come in the cattle trade. We got October cattle limit up as we speak. That comes off of an announcement late yesterday by Tyson that they will not accept cattle, slaughter any cattle that has been fed Zilmax, a feed additive, and they'll begin that stoppage of slaughtering those cattle on September 6th. So that in turn has caused some short covering in the cattle. We've seen a very consolidated pattern in the cattle market here for several weeks. We broke out of that sideways trend overnight, and another reason why we're seeing so much buying in the cattle complex here this morning. We did get some supportive news also late yesterday on the beef movement. We had choice beef up 149, select up 77. So this is like the second day in a row that we've seen higher meat prices. We've been looking for that here in early August, and showing some signs that we might be changing the tide here as far as the demand for product. Pork, on the other hand, was down 34 in their cutout values. We should be seeing larger hog supplies, and with the strength that we're seeing in cattle this morning is carrying over into the pork complex, however, but longer term look for greater hog supplies as we move forward. So a lot of things going on. Stay in touch with Allendale's research. Get all the details by subscribing to the Allendale Advisor Report. We can get you a free trial. Either call, email, or just go to our website and sign up for the free trial. You can reach us at 800-262-7538. We wish everybody a very successful trading day, and I'll talk to you tomorrow morning. Thank you.